This is the multi-agent architecture. Here we have three different agents: the differentiating agents, the query agent, and the payment handling agent. When the user makes a request, it is sent to the differentiating agent, which differentiates it between a query and an action. If the request is a query, then the query agent will return an appropriate response to the user. While if it is an action, then we extract relevant information and details necessary for booking tickets, and the information is sent to the database for checking ticket availability. If tickets are available, if it is a success, then we call the payment API, which redirects us to the payment page. And if the payment is a success, then the ticket is registered under the user, and the query agent will return an appropriate response. While if it is a failure in any of the steps, then the query agent will return an appropriate response, and the issue will be resolved. This is a chatbot implementation. Here we have loaded the RAG documents. Here I have loaded the LLM, Chat Google Generative AI. Here I've loaded the data into chunks using recursive character text splitter, and then converted it into embeddings using Google Generative AI embeddings, and then storing it in a ChromaDB vector database, ChromaDB, and then making it as a retriever. This is a prompt template. Here we have storing chat history as well. This is the augmented prompt. We have made it so that it can handle multilingual queries as well. This is a code for making tools, which will return a dictionary to the payment handler for payment processes. This is example of a query, and it returns the appropriate response.
This is how the final implementation of the chatbot will look like. Here we can ask any of the questions regarding the museum and the tickets of the shows, and the chatbot will answer accordingly, referring the RAG document. Later on, we'll also integrate the payment gateway into the same, where the user will be redirected to the required payment options.
When the user wants to make a payment, they would be redirected to this payment page where they could scan the QR and make the payment, or enter their UPI credentials manually. Once the payment is successful, it would be verified on the page and the ticket would be available to the user. Thank you.